This video will show how an instructor can create an assignment activity so that students can submit their completed assignments via Moodle. Go to your course site and turn editing on. In the section where you want to add the assignment, click on the Add an Activity or Resource link. Choose Assignment and click on the Add button. Enter a name for the assignment. This is what the students will see on your course page. In the description area, enter the assignment instructions that you want your students to follow. There are a lot of settings that you can make. We'll go over a few of them here, but you may want to consider each one carefully when setting up your assignment. Click on any of the yellow question mark icons to see a short explanation of that setting. You can set dates for when the assignment activity becomes available for your students and when it stops being available. If you want your students to be able to enter some text directly into a Moodle page for their assignment, change the online text setting to Yes. If you want your students to be able to upload a file for their assignment, leave the file submission settings at Yes. You can set the number of files each student is allowed to upload for the assignment, how large the files can be, whether or not the student can include a comment about the file, whether or not you can enter a comment about each submission, and whether or not you'll be able to upload your own file in response to a submission, such as an annotated copy of a student paper. Finally, you can set the grading scale for the assignment, whether it will be graded on a scale of 1 to 100, or 1 to 10, or a letter grade, etc. When you've got all the settings the way you want them, click on the Save and Return to Course button. Now let's see what students will see when they click on the assignment link. They'll see your instructions and some information about the status of their submission. When they're ready, they can click on the Add Submission button. If the assignment allowed online text entry, they can type or paste their response into the appropriate area. If the assignment allowed file upload, as this one does, they can add their file either by clicking on the Add link or by dragging their file directly into the appropriate area. When they're ready, they'll click on the Save Changes button. Now let's go back to your view after the student's submission has been made. Click on the assignment link. You'll see some overall information about the assignment status. Click on the View Grade All Submissions link. You'll see a table with a row for each student and a column with information about each aspect of the submissions. You can click to view the student's online text or file submission. Click on the icon in the Grade column to see all the information about a particular student's submission and to enter a grade. If you've allowed it in your original settings, you can enter some feedback comments or upload your own feedback file. If you've already determined the student's grades, you can turn on Quick Grading to enter all of your students' grades on one page. The grades you've submitted will also appear in your course site's gradebook.